Hello first grade, so today we are going to be working on decoding words with 2 syllables. So what will we be learning today? At the end of this lesson, students will be able to decode the words by breaking them into syllables. So we want students to use knowledge that every syllable has a vowel sound to determine the number of syllables in a printed word. We also want students to decode 2-syllable words following basic patterns by breaking the words into their syllables. So, what exactly are syllables? According to the dictionary, syllables are a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound, with or without consonants, forming a whole or a part of a word. How can we tell what words have 2 syllables? Now, sometimes this can be a little tricky, so luckily I have a method that can help you. So we are going to be trying the clap method. So for the clap method, you clap for every syllable in a word. You may have seen this done before with names, and this is particularly done in the classroom, and everyone stands in a line, and you'll clap the syllables in everyone's name. So my name is Mallory, so you would clap Mal, Lor, Re, and so on until you finish every single student. So let's look at some examples of 2-syllable words, and we are also going to try the clap method. So our first word is cupcake, and we can break this down by saying cup-cake. Our next word is today, and this would be broken down as to-day. Our next word is Monday, and this is broken down into Mon-day. Next, we have follow, fa-low. Next, we have dinner, din-ner. And then finally, we have bedroom, which would be broken down into bed-room. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can think of or find any more 2-syllable words. So let's go ahead and practice. So how can we decode these words using their syllables? So this is our first word. We can decode this word by breaking it down into its 2 syllables, and by using the clap method, we read this as but-ter. So when you put the 2 syllables together, it forms the whole word butter. So this is our second word, and when you break it down into its 2 syllables, it sounds like kit-ten, and when you put it all together, the word is kitten. Next, we have the word icy. So when you break icy down, you get icy. Finally, we have river, and when you break river down, you get riv-er. So now it's time to show me what you know. So go ahead and pause the video and try to find out how you would decode the following words. You can use the clap method to help you, but if you don't need it, you don't have to use it. So here are the correct answers. So how would you say these 2-syllable words? So our first word is teacher, and when you break it down using the clap method, it sounds like teach-er. Our next word is funny, and when you break funny down using the clap method, it sounds like fun-y. Our third word is dislike, and we can decode this by breaking it down into dislike. Finally, we have the word explode, and we can break this down into explode. So here's our final review. So first we want to remember that syllables are vowels located in between consonants. Second, we want to remember that we can use the clap method to make finding syllables easier for us. Finally, we want to remember that words can have way more than 1 syllable. So thank you for sitting through this lesson with me and going over how to decode two-syllable words. I hope that this helps you in the future and that you have fun decoding.